ama sain si baile vekule.
Hey, bo insu weekend su rute local vela wa ma se hey LARSTE-AN na min THAWHPUI don ni hi na tho tur kan nga right bite.
Yeah.
That's right.
Lots.
Na kan thok vak don tro.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of work. Yeah. I know. Hey, helai hianin ni kuma project tu ra kan dana kan siam kha bu pol a lo trawa hei hi in so ta kan la nga hei helai lung hi kan la boka nga hei thil kan leite. Okay, over there. Okay. Na kan thok tran don ani hi. Do we, baby? You found those rocks? Let me show it to me. Khoi mo bit an ti te bit te. Hey. Oh. I know. An na lutuk tra bit te. Can you say amoy lutuk?
More like a duke.
Amoy lutuk. Okay, moy lutuk ti lai ro le voi khat.
More look duke.
I've fell in. Okay, very good. Okay, LARSTE-AN nen balu kan han rora kan han lo tange so lampang. Okay, let's go there. Yeah. LARSTE hian api dam line engeni bean zam na turte siam pui thina. You remember when you dug the
Yeah, we dug up a bunch of
yeah beans zam na siam te khai thia tro bai te. Yeah, api bean zam na turte asiam sak thin lom. Okay. Hela hianin kan han ru tange khulaya kan bu pol khu enge ni phong mir lo tam lu tu ga kan da na lo rei to chu wang chuan buite. How about you load up these first, the peat moss and the mix. Buite, don't go there, don't go. Kata kan phong mir kata phong mir lo pay ro buite. Okay.
Should I load up both or like?
Yeah, you can do both. It's not that heavy, I don't think. Or maybe try it.
I'm just wondering whether I should put the peat moss on top or on the bottom.
Don't go there, Danny. Kata kan pakasu.
Yeah, maybe some more.
Oh boy. Oh, maybe just one at a time. Throw it there. At length to lo kakatu. Oh. Handa alam mo bite. Kita next to the well, actually yeah.
Yeah. Peat moss is heavy.
Okay.
Let's do peat moss.
Next to the other mulch, okay? Up there, but there. There's 3 bags.
Oh, ide uvea.
Takan handa lai local lang.
Han lak tho mai hi a har sa veria wa thil ri deu phei chu ti tong ngai ni hei kan han LARSTE pon a han thlau loka awang chu arwal rem lo lu to kan ka tu te hianin ka thu hin oi ve em a chu kalom na nia pathian mal som na hi ani tak me wani na tho hi an she lawa na tho tur ka hril hian chuanin engma sei se lawin min ti sak thina hei hi
Just go right here.
alom em
Slow.
Go slow.
Go slow.
You tell him, Danny.
You gotta go slow.
Uti da na lo sila dito. Kathom na bal kan ka. Kan kart na hian na oma hei hi kan handa chuak khotanga katu thote kathom no. Yeah, just put on the ground right there. Yeah, takhanda mai ro. Kata khanda la. Chuan mo bite We need the shovel. It's up in the garden.
Oh, the shovel?
Yeah, the shovel we need. But should we get the straw first? So the straw la put on.
Yeah.
Yeah. When we come back, we get a shovel. There. All right.
Oh, it's people garden.
Mm-hmm.
It's people garden.
All right.
Oh wait. Oh, is it a car?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I think we just need one at a time, right?
We can do one at a
There's the
time.
bus.
Oh boy.
It's back
There's
the
a lot of
bus.
stuff under it.
กันติไฟง่ายนี่ค่ะไปเตะตรอโอเค Hey, help vedu tlata. Okay, we do the parting. Okay, yeah. I thought you're helping your brother.
I don't know how much help Dane's really been.
Mom, I help you.
Okay,
Okay,
get in the cart.
Okay,
Get in the cart. Yeah.
I'm too big.
No.
Okay, sit
Sit
down.
down.
Okay, now you gotta ride.
Now you got it right, Dane.
I go fly.
Okay, you gotta hold on tight. It's gonna be bumpy.
It's gonna be bumpy.
Oh, whoa. All right.
I made.
Yeah.
I made. Oh, we get the big piece.
Okay, you gotta hold it tight.
Hold on.
One here drop right there. One flat drop. Oh, see it, ka?
Yeah.
Hold on. Gotta hold on tight.
Hold on, hold tight, Dane.
Look, Duke.
Anwam lutuk tira.
I mean, look, Duke.
Anwam lutuk. You wanna go ride more?
Yeah.
Okay, but then load up the rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, do the walk.
Yeah, do the rock. He's telling you. Auti to the lotion. Needs to load up those rocks first. Okay. Okay, but there we need maybe 2 times. Is a draw. Maybe. Oh, that's yucky, but there.
Gonna not sound.
From the bottom. Start from the bottom.
Let me out. Let me out.
Yeah.
Ow. I want the end.
Can swimming pool here me. Kan swimming pool pula kan lung da kha dia kan lo zo lo wa. Are you helping? Oh! Okay, Abit lutuk sana ti sila lang. Maybe this might be good now. All right, helping your brother. Very good boy.
Kan nấu té bè đây nè hi nọ mà lâu thì về em ha au lar sa hi alo pui về chara thei to pin LAWM.EM về stopa anh ấy rất thắc box ya
Okay, but there, hang on. I'm gonna show you where to dump it, okay? You need to do is pull that, pull all the way, and you dump it. Yeah.
Here we go.
Whoa, we dump it. Okay. All right. All right. That's good. Just get it out. Just pull it. Okay. But load and that nghe 4 or how many loads like
Yeah, around about 4.
lúng khởi hít chu a háo ta ka hay a ha thak ang reng viao ni.
That's as close as I'm gonna get it.
Okay, you're just gonna do it like that. Ha thak ve tak chu ni. Bite min puya ka lom lutuk I thok na sa lutuk nang po. A few more we need to do. Pero bite na totally kapit na sa tayo lutuk. All right, that's good. He fell bite. So how do you like working with Emmy so far?
It's good. It's tiring, but yeah, other than that, it's good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is, let me show you. The tarp,
Yeah.
we're gonna put a pack, so it will not keep coming out. Okay? Na kan thole tur chu helaya tarpaulin da hi ni tarpaulin hi kan apek kan da nga chuan ron chuak lawanga hei kan thole tur. Ole tuna LARSTE-AN HNA kan tilo mo bete hey we're gonna put these and we have a pack. We're gonna pound it in. Yeah, here, can you take it apart? Ikan kason. Tun ko pa yan enge ni mong chepian tam lutu ka hani. Earwig. We got so many earwigs. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Get the mallet. Okay. Hey he ni ma lo trâu lo na turin kan pha do na ni he khula ma khwan kan pha vek to a I helai he kan lati zo. All right, okay. You see get the corner, like corner la khan no. Oh. Okay. Move. Okay, I think that's good. All right, in the corner. Yeah, tap it down.
Okay, you want me to go now?
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
For some reason. Is it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, right here, give me that. You need to poke it first, okay? You're tabbing it down too hard. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Okay. There, you got it. You gotta tap it down. Oh. All right. So this we need to fold part of it. Okay. Janin. Ni mà lâu trâu lâu ang á. Okay, here. Let's maybe do it here, baby. Here, tap it slowly. We need a better mallet. just tap it down a little bit more. Okay. All right. We'll do. I just want to thank Bete Kalom Lutuka Mo Min Tran Puya Voina Ka Rora Zong Zong Kantia Til Dang Po Kantia. I just want to thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. LAWM.EM.
Kan Lom eh.
LAWM.EM.